Hey, this video is all about how to graph on a number line or how to graph on an x-axis number line. So let's just kind of review. When we have something that is greater than or less than, so here's greater than, here is less than. When it's greater than or less than, we would use an open circle. That means that that point is not included, but all other lines to either the left or the right of it would be included. If we have a solid circle, that means that we are either less than or equal to or greater than or equal to. The equal to means that that point was included. So let's take a look at how this might look when we graph this. If we take, for example, x is greater than -3. So because there's no equal sign, we will use an open circle. Our boundary point is -3, goes right above the -3, and we want points that are greater than -3, so we want the points that are to the right of that, and that's how you would graph that one. Okay, second one, what if we have x is less than or equal to 1? Well, because of the equal sign, we need the filled in circle. That goes on our boundary point of 1, and because it's less than 1, we want to include all the points that go to the left of 1. Now, let's make it a little more complicated. What if we have -2 is less than or equal to x, which is then less than 4? Well, the less than or equal to -2 means we need a filled in dot because -2 is included. So we'll put a filled in dot there. The less than 4 is not included, but all the numbers to the left will be included. Now, this one's kind of an interesting one. X is greater than -2, so initially we would do this type of line going towards that. But we have another boundary point here of 4, so we want to stop at 4. So the only points that are included are the points that are between these two lines. So if you see the little arrows on both of these two lines, it would be nice. Yeah, I wonder if I can do this. Let's see if I can do this live right here. We're going to take those 2 points right there, and looks like I can't quite do it. I was going to remove the arrows, but I guess I can't, so I won't. But anyways, it would just be a solid line between those 2 points. All right, one final one, similar to that one. 1, excuse me, is less than x, so less than would be an open circle, so we put that at the 1 point. Our other boundary point is 5, and x is less than or equal to 5, so we need the filled in circle for that one. Hope my lines are short enough here. We'll find out if they are or not. One goes this direction. Hey, that looks like it worked out pretty good. And the other one actually goes this direction right here. So the 2, it's just a line between those two, and that's what it would look like being graphed. Hopefully this helps you when you're trying to graph inequalities on a number line or on the x-axis. That's all I got for this video. Hopefully it helped you. Bye-bye.